At COCC, we develop software for all backroom banking applications. So when you go to your bank and make a deposit, or log on their internet site to do an internet banking transaction, or use their ATM, chances are that software that COCC has developed. What we've been able to do is develop the software and then couple it with robust training and support afterwards. And I think that's been the secret to COCC's growth. We go to our client base and ask them what they're looking for, and we actually have a formal voting process where we ask our clients to vote on what type of software or what type of enhancements they'd like us to design and develop.
We actually started as two separate companies, Putnam Plastics Corporation, which makes specialty polymer tubing for the medical device market, and Foster Corporation, which develops and manufactures custom polymer compounds for the medical device market. What really energized these companies and why they've been successful over the years is just understanding the customer's needs and providing custom solutions, engineering solutions.
We build a defibrillator that a layperson can use. It talks you through the case. It holds your hands so that with minimal experience you can save somebody. And we continue to innovate. Right now, last year we released a defibrillator that shows you live videos of how to do the rescue. Innovation has been part of our core from the very beginning. We're a company that went up against humongous multi-billion-dollar companies and we're able to come from nowhere to become a significant player. Innovation starts from the very top down, so it's a core element of our process. It's a meritocracy, and it's a challenge and competition-based, may the best idea win type of environment.
APS Technology makes measurement while drilling equipment for the oil and gas well drilling industry. We try to be very flexible with our customers regarding work scope, customization, and even payment terms for the equipment we supply. Our product is very technical, and we do our best to support the product both during the startup and the training phase, and later in the repair of the equipment and upgrading it. We try to hire the very best people for positions within the company. We're always doing incremental innovation on our existing products. We're always trying to increase the reliability, reduce the operating cost, make product enhancements and service enhancements.
At Prometheus Research, we deliver data management solutions and provide data management services to scientific researchers in the biomedical field. The primary reason for the company's consistent growth has been our excellent hiring process. It's been our ability to select, attract, and retain very talented and creative and hardworking people. The innovation process at our company is ubiquitous. It's a large part of what we do for clients is innovate on their behalf as we find ways to solve problems that have not been found before. We start with the assumption that it's possible, and we start with the assumption that there's a better way to do it, and we go from there.
My company is logosportswear.com. We're a pioneer and leader in mass customized sportswear. Over the years, we've created a on-demand technology platform that allows customers to design, buy, share, and sell logo sportswear and team sportswear. Because of computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, we're now able to produce in quantity of one full-color digital embroidered sportswear. We're really obsessed with staying ahead of technology, staying ahead of market developments, and we embrace change.
Protein Sciences is a vaccine development and manufacturing company. We make a variety of vaccines. We have a proprietary technology for doing this, and we have our own vaccine. We set up the business to have a consistent source of income. So we, in addition to developing our own products, which lose money until you get them approved, we develop products for other companies. They pay us. We have a line of research products that we sell to universities and industry. Everything we have, we invented, we patented, and we develop. And we encourage people to think outside the box. We encourage people to think creatively.
Travalis is an IT outsourcing company. We do mission-critical data center services for large corporations. From day one, we founded the company on the premise that a company who was going to trust us with their IT infrastructure, their computers, their livelihood, we really needed to provide a high level of service in high-quality facilities and really make them feel like they were an extension of our company. IT is an ever-changing world out there. And what we need to do is we need to be in touch with what different solutions customers require. So as the IT environment changes, we need to change with our products and services.
Proton On-Site, we changed our name actually earlier in the year from Proton Energy Systems. Proton has been in business for 15 years. We make equipment that takes the hydrogen out of water. We continue to grow in part because we have a pretty diverse portfolio of products and markets that we reach into. We're in 3 or 4 different commercial verticals and 3 or 4 different government, military types of verticals. We developed technology roadmaps for where we want our technology and the areas that need to be continually advanced as it relates to many of these energy markets that we're heading for. And within those roadmaps, we use those as a guide to help gear us towards different types of third-party funding or our own funding to really drive the continued growth and inspiration and innovation that's required to get us there.
Well, let me just say congratulations to everyone. It's very important that we celebrate your success. And so all of you who are doing well, raising your own money, growing your own company, sending your products all around the globe, we say thank you, congratulations. But for everybody else, let's pay attention to these companies, let's learn from them, but let's always remember to celebrate them and thank them for being here in Connecticut.